Got it.
Oh, you guys, I can get it. I got it. I told you guys.
Should have opened with that.
Yeah, I say we mushed it up pretty good. There's some kits for camber, toe, and then the ride height, and then you get the weight. You get all those things, but for a missile, I'm not gonna do that. It's not gonna stay LT long enough for me to enjoy the alignment. So side skirts off, and then let's go. I'm gonna take the list one by one, I think.
The camera's super windy. We're at Nick's drift shop today. I came down just to bring him a sign, see how he's doing, see what's up. And it turns out he's got himself another little project to do. What happened to the Genesis?
I blew the gasket off. It overheated, ran out of water. Temperature gauge was not at the right place, I guess, so I didn't pick up the overheat before I blew the head gasket. And then when I took the front dressing off, I saw that the timing chain had to come loose at some point and ate the orange quarter here, so I'm waiting for that. I'm waiting for a timing chain and tensioner. Yeah. I'm gonna probably leave this to my girlfriend and I'm gonna go tap the shit out of the shit box. Plus I got that 350, but I'm in discussion now. I may sell it and just get the E86.
The AE86?
Yeah, like mine I have.
Oh, snap.
Yeah. Like, I can't paint the GTS white Panda, you know?
Yeah.
I can't do that. So it's gonna go basic GTS red with the black side skirt, black bumpers, black roof,
nice.
like that, yeah. Well, we're talking about it. I don't know yet. I got the floor to do. Got a lot of things to do now. But it's a 240, so I'm not gonna care about it. Bro, those screws are like an inch long. You really didn't want to lose it. Look at this thing. Oh, I already ate it. I hate it now.
Scratch.
Oh, the whiskey is half on. Just not bolted in. Thank you.
Strip it and rip it.
3, 5, 7, 9, and then 11 zip ties to hold the bumper on.
What?
Because they're all double. This is that one? Yeah. Okay. You put the screw on. So we're gonna take the wheels off anyway. That is perfect. Going up. I have to check the leg up so well. Wow. Okay. We got a hell of a lot of work to do. Like, that looks aftermarket to me. It's red and shit. Should I get like the eBay parts that exist in this? So there's some oil there though. Like there's definitely oil going in. Check the oil pan first, so we can take the wheels off. Take all the steering off so we have space. The bird is shit, but it's an oil line that pops off. Yeah. No. Drive shaft is not crazy loose. You can do that by hand. Do that. Yeah, I'm gonna go with left side on you.
Nice floor, bro.
Yeah, have you seen the floor?
Wow.
Yeah.
It's got a rib cage.
Yeah, that's some quality shit. Who runs the car? Oil is shit. Metal pieces?
You gotta taste it. No choice.
I'm gonna sit in the pan. I'm taking the pan off. Alright, so small screwdriver and then those soften on the side. Seen worse days than that. Stuck there good.
Get a big hammer.
Is there metal in the thing? find out. Oh, there's nothing.
That's good, right?
Oh yeah.
It's just burnt to shit.
Oh, there's something in it, look.
Oh yeah.
Paste or something, looks like metal. Small chips, but no one worried.
I think you'd be good though. No.
Yeah.
No
Just
major
gonna
rebuild.
bite. Oh, I gotta take the girder off and everything if I want to go see down there. I'm gonna try it, just putting the oil back in. No, I just wanted to see if there was some metal in it.
So you figured it out? Think you did?
The oil drain was not sealed.
Big mother.
Yeah, so the oil drain was not sealed. It was a gasket maker deal going on. I'm not a hater of gasket maker personally, but that one was that
So one by one, problems getting solved. Everybody's working here. Vince is working on the bash bar for him. Emily's in the back helping him out, grinding out pieces, making sure they're nice and clean so you can get a good solid weld on it. And by tomorrow, Nick will be drifting. So let's keep going, right?
yeah, I feel like it's stuck to that. I'm even gonna have to take it, like, I don't know, the alternator off or something. I'm trying not to though.
Every day there's always a new obstacle, right? So while the bash bar in the back is getting built, Nick's playing around with this oil filter that is absolutely solid. It's on there. It's not moving. It's destroyed. And you figure it's been welded on there. It's been glued on. Something crazy.
Well, it makes no sense.
It is.
Makes no sense.
So he's trying to get that off. Don't know how we're gonna get it.
How strong you have to be to get the filter off?
How strong you gotta be to put it on.
It really matters. I don't have enough room to do anything. I can't even take my one of those big pliers I had before. Those ones. Try to get it. The one from the filter. I tried those. I hope the filter is not holding at that one. Oh, it twisted. This is fun.
Is it good? It has to be. Yes.
I went a bit. Always gotta go the rest of the way. It's unstuck now at least.
Oh, that's good. That's good.
No, I got.
There you go.
That is victory right there. Yeah, I'd say we mushed it up pretty good.
Good.
And then
Good job.
we'll finally shot some oil in it. See if it's no.
Progress is made. Filters off. Got a bunch more to do, but unfortunately I'm gonna have to split. I got a guy coming for some parts. Also, this video turned out to be more like a vlog than it should have been, and we're gonna work on some stuff like that before. Just like the pilot episode of Nick's Drift Shop that you guys saw before. So anyways, I'm out here. Peace out.